We greatly appreciate technological innovations that make daily lives easier. We might not see all the inventions that take place every day, as it is hard to keep an eye on everything for a good reason. Some of the innovations go under our radar for a long time, especially if we are not interested in them per se. In this video, we'll unearth 7 recent tech inventions that make your life easier on the daily. Shall we? Make sure you stick with me to the end of the video. Why is it important to celebrate the products that make people's lives easier? Of course, there's no universal product that would answer all of our pleas. Maybe one day there will be a product perfect for every demographic. Yeah, just maybe though. We can't compare the struggles of all people and truly put them in a box. We anticipate the day that technological advancements will give a quick answer to challenges, both small and large. One such obstacle may be multitasking and balancing your studies with work and everyday chores. Every student, for example, wants the perfect essay and to have a breath of fresh air, so an essay review by no cramming team can be a perfect solution. If you doubt such an invention like academic assistance is good for you, Essay Pro Reviews can answer all of your concerns with a click. It is a no-sweat way to learn whether you can trust a project and keep going with other tasks. What should we anticipate in new tech inventions? Many of the inventions listed on any reputable platform indicate the focus on relevant issues. Over the past few years, many tech companies have targeted the processes we use and practice every day. The newcomers and titans of the industry focused on internet efficiency, online calls, and other aspects that became a big part of our lives. Some innovations are more centered on the individual, others are designed to serve global purposes. But these tech gems are definitely the ones that turn our lives on different routes. In this video, I have prepared a versatile list of 7 inventions that you could use for your household, studies, sports, and workplace hassle-free. Let's get to it already. The first product in our list happens to be well suited for disabled tennis enthusiasts. They are the appropriate table tennis rackets. Students from the ICAM Paris Sénart Engineering School have developed prototypes for ping pong rackets suitable for people with disabilities. To do this, these young engineers joined forces with the ASUN Table Tennis Committee as part of a call for projects launched by the National Center for the Development of Sport in the dynamics of the 2020 Olympic Games. Thus, it is the project to develop innovative equipment to facilitate access to table tennis for people with disabilities that has been retained by the National Center for the Development of Sport. To carry out this project, Bruno Chamon, the president of the Sports Committee, approached the ICAM Engineering School. Their collaboration resulted in 2 models of adapted table tennis rackets, which are unique in France, and they will revolutionize the world at large. The first racket model is for all types of handicap situations. The second model responds more specifically to the needs of people who have difficulty opening their hands. With the help of a physiotherapist, the students created ergonomic and functional models. As a result, these new generation rackets are presented as lambda rackets, cut in half, on which 3D printed parts have been added. These ping pong rackets are currently intended for rehabilitation centers and retirement homes. The students hope that these 2 prototypes will eventually pave the way for new areas of rehabilitation and especially for table tennis to be accessible to as many people as possible. The second daily life made easy product that made the list is the Warm Towel Pro. When winter arrives and humidity takes over the environment, a task as simple as drying our towels can become an impossible mission. To avoid this, there is a solution that is very simple and effective: electric towel rails. In addition to drying our towels and bathrobes, it can also serve as heating in the bathroom, which would have a double function. The Warm Towel Pro electric towel rail has its control panel located at the bottom. In addition to this, it has enough space to hang towels, and due to its size, it is ideal for bathrooms or dressing rooms of 12 square meters. The Warm Towel Pro has a power of 500 watts for the towel rail part. That is, the bars, and 1500 watts for the ceramic heater part is located at the bottom. With this power, this heater manages to reach 40 degrees quickly, making it very easy for you to heat the bathroom or dressing room wherever you decide to place it. I find it very useful that you can use the 2 functions separately, because if all you want is a dry towel, you don't have to turn on the heater. Activating the towel rail area is enough. You must be careful not to cover the bottom of the heater with towels to avoid accidents. Next up, Tato Thermostat. When it comes to an easy life with home automation and smart equipment, one of the most important acquisitions is thermostats. These devices connect to our Wi-Fi network and are linked to our mobile devices to offer us comfort and economy at the same time. These units are ideal for reducing energy consumption for air conditioning conditioning, as they allow us to configure the home environment more easily and with greater precision, and we can even set programs for the whole week. In addition to providing more convenient control, they are also a valuable source of information when it comes to monitoring our energy consumption and taking steps to save without sacrificing our quality of life. This thermostat works with 95% of current heating systems, being compatible with combined and conventional boilers, domestic hot water systems, and even hydronic and electric underfloor heating. Another advantage is that the mobile application allows you to adjust the temperature degrees with more precision since it uses decimals. Regarding the installation, there is an online installation wizard to guide you through the wiring. Plus, you can choose between cord or battery power, and AA batteries are included. The next tech invention in our list is in healthcare too: laser beams to improve walking. A new system developed by startup Walk with Path has emerged to help people with Parkinson's regain a smoother gait to improve walking. Concretely, it is a small box attached to the shoe, which projects a horizontal line in front of the person, a luminous line to cross. With each step, a new colored line appears in front of the foot that is supposed to move forward. This visual cue reduces the phenomena of blockages that interfere with walking. Indeed, people affected by Parkinson's disease often have the feeling of having both feet glued to the ground. They are unable to walk despite their desire to move forward. It is this type of blockage to which this innovation wishes to respond. The Danish startup has, therefore, developed this laser-guided gait system to help patients regain natural gait. It reduces these episodes of blockages and the resulting risk of falls by more than 50%. Called Pathfinder, this system is synchronized according to the speed of movements, allowing the walker to move at their own pace with complete peace of mind. Next up, Owl Pro Camera for your workplace. Owl Pro is the revolutionary solution for changing your online meetings and making them feel real. The past year showed that it is possible to manage the heavy workflow without people sitting in the offices. Many new tech products now aim to create convenient gadgets for the work environment. It is also a perfect solution for online classes and any other activity that needs your full attention. This tech eases your daily routines and makes you more focused and productive. What about the Lotus trolley bags? Wife and husband team Jennifer and Farzan Demubed have both dedicated their lives to eco-friendly plastic bag alternatives. In 2017, they quit their jobs and began prototyping the trolley bag, which is now loved by many. The bags help keep groceries organized, and the eco-friendly, long-lasting materials are as good for the environment as they are for your wallet. Easy to transfer from car to car. They're perfect for everything, from a big shopping trip to a quick grocery run. There's also a produce bag option. Replace difficult to open and flimsy bags with the cinchable, color-coded option. A 9-pack of 3 sizes is available on Amazon. Wrapping it up, we have the passwords fast. Never reset a password again with this compact, secure password keeper from entrepreneur and business owner Leanne Bell. You'll only have to remember the one password that unlocks the device itself, but once open, you'll be able to access whatever passwords you choose to input. The device is electronic but offline, meaning there's no risk of hacking. Even better, the information is encrypted to keep it even safer, and the device is small enough to keep securely in a purse or pocket. Blink and you've missed it. That's how fast tech develops now. Even though many of the inventions would seem useless or classist, remember that there's always a perfect choice for you. And if there's nothing for you, maybe you should be the one who would create it and save time for thousands of people. That concludes today's video. If you found the video helpful, please do consider giving us a thumbs up. And don't forget to share the video with your friends and family. See you next time, family.